Hello everyone, welcome back to Credit, and today we are going to see how we can add BNB chain to our MetaMask wallet, or you can add any other network using the same method. For this, we have to first open our MetaMask wallet. Just click on this icon and our MetaMask wallet is open. For better view, click on these three dots and expand view. So now MetaMask is open in expand view, and to add new network, click on these three dots, settings, and here you can see a tab named networks. Click on this. So currently we have Ethereum mainnet which is active now, and to add a new network, click on add a network, scroll down, and you can see BNB chain is already here, and we can click add and approve. But in a case you don't have BNB chain mentioned here, you can add that chain manually. So to add any chain manually, click on this link here, add a network manually, and you have to enter details for a network. And for BNB chain, I have these details here. So let me add this first. And chain ID is 56. And currency is BNB. If you want, you can add Block Explorer or leave it as optional. Click on save. Switch to BNB chain. So now as you can see, you are on BNB chain, and if your account has any BNB, you can see it here. I have 0 BNB, so it says 0. And if you now want to remove that chain, just select any other chain. Now go to same settings, name networks. Select the chain you want to remove. Just make sure that you are not currently on that chain. So I want to remove BNB chain. Click on this, and here you can see a button named delete. Click on this and delete. So now as you can see, BNB chain is removed. So this is how you can add and remove any chain from MetaMask. And for the details about BNB chain, I will provide all these details in the description. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If yes, then give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let us know about your thoughts in the comment section. Till then, goodbye.